Instagram is currently tracking each and everything that you're doing on those applications, especially if you upload any pictures inside your profile. It'll also be able to track it and scan all your face and also use it for other purposes. So if you want to turn off these certain features that Instagram is using to track you and use your images or anything like that, just click on the three dots on top, and once you're here, just scroll down to sharing and reuse. Just click on that, and then you can choose which options you want to turn off. For example, in this section it says story shares, so you don't want anyone to share your story that you are uploading to your profile, so you can turn this off as well. And stories to stories, so you can turn this off as well. You don't want anyone to share your stories to anybody. So if you are somebody who likes to keep a private lifestyle, it's better to turn off everything. And also allow people to share your posts and reels. If it's up to you, if you want someone to share or post their reels, post your reels to somebody else's messages or accounts. Okay, so you can just turn off if you're interested. Also, you can turn off the comments and captions. Also, if you want to allow people to share externally, you can turn that off as well, and allow people to reuse your audio on Meta AI for reels. You can choose to enable or disable, because if you're using some certain audio that you uploaded and you want somebody else to use it, then you can turn this on. But if you don't want them to use it, you can turn this off. And yeah, that's some of the features that you can surely turn off. And the next thing that you can do is go into the app section and look for the settings. And once you're here, just scroll down all the way, you'll find apps, and here just search for Instagram. So there's some settings in Instagram as well you can change in the app section. So just click on Instagram, and once you're here, just click on photos. So here you can choose what kind of access you want to give Instagram, so that they'll be able to know scan everything inside your photos. So you don't want that to happen, right? So better to choose like none, or you can choose limited access. Some newer iPhones has the option called only for uploaded photos, so you can choose that as well. So you can choose what photos you want to upload. These are some of the things that you can turn off in your iPhone. Also, if you want to stop them from tracking you completely, you can turn off the location and allow location access. You can choose never if you don't want them to track your location. But I will not be doing that right now, because I sometimes choose the location. For example, if I'm visiting a restaurant or a place that I want to show my friends, so I might use this option. Okay, so you don't have to choose always, because Instagram will be able to know wherever you're going, and they will keep tracking you. So this is some of the options that you can turn off. So if you found this video helpful, do like the video and also subscribe to my channel. I make similar content like this. So thank you guys, have a nice day.